Good morning, everyone. Thanks for coming to the behavioral model call, 4th of May. And so tomorrow is Cinco de Mayo. So, ole. Um, anyway, I'm displaying my screen here. And last time we talked about the private link mapping, and Marian took us through the changes in the PR. I had provided some snips and sent those out. But we did this, and then we were maybe gonna think about having PR 246 sync to main, and then I would merge. I haven't seen that come through yet, but when it does, I'm happy to do it. So we can do that. I'll wait for Marina. Hi, Shai. Shai, we were just talking about the PR that Marian. Hi, we were talking about the PR that Marian submitted last time, Shai, about adding the private link mapping. So that's what we did last time we had the call. And then I think this time, was it Clark from Alibaba? Did you have something you wanted to go over?
No, I joined this meeting for the first time, and I just want to see how things works out in this
Oh,
meeting.
okay. All right.
Yeah,
Great.
and then I will follow the procedure here.
Okay. All right. So we won't talk about the NVA PR this week in behavioral model. Okay. So anyway, were there questions about this PR from last week from anyone? Hi, Marian. Marian, we have your coworker Shai's here. I was just telling him about the PR you submitted last time we were here and what we went through. So yeah, there was that. No questions on that. And so maybe we could go through maybe a quick. Marian, did we want to do this 246 this week? Syncing to main. Notifying.
Let me check because I don't remember. I'll get back to you in 5 minutes.
That's
But
okay.
there was another thing. I don't know if there was an issue open or not. Asking if about ACL tags. Asking if we can have actually in the behavioral model have ACL tags act as optional, meaning that if nothing is so we can use either a list or a CL tag. It shouldn't be both. So yeah, there is a way to do this. I don't know if I wanted to ask you, Christina, if there was an issue open. If not, I will open one, and after I finish with my current work, I can add this functionality as well to behavioral model.
Was this the one stemming from the Dash community call from Vincent?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, let me look. I may have. Guys, forgive me 1 second while I go back through my notes. Let's see here. Let me look here. I'm gonna paste it. Was it this comment here, Marian? Check whether we can express all in an ACL model from Gohan.
What does that mean?
So we were talking about
all. Meaning wildcard every field, match all IP packets? Is that what it means?
If you have tag one field of the rule, you could match on the tag but not the prefix instead. Can it be?
Yeah, that's the one that I was talking about. Yeah, so I was wondering if there is an issue open, or I should open one.
I have not seen an issue come through yet. Let me double check.
I'll open one then. If there isn't,
let me double check right now. I'll pull the screen over and just go to Dash, go to issues. Let's see what's happening over there. Yeah, there's one here, 360 from Vincent.
No, that's a
It's not it.
different one.
Then no, I don't see another one.
Okay, so I will open.
Okay.
So isn't there a solution for this question that each rule can have either ACL tag or prefix, but not both? I thought the
Yeah, but,
question here was whether the same rule can have both, and then the answer was no. The ARC agent will make sure that each rule can have either tag or, right?
We said if you have a prefix, don't expect a tag, or if we have both, we'll do a separate.
Correct. So
Yeah.
same rule will not have both.
right, yeah.
And
So
then
what is the change that we're doing in the BMV2 now? Or what
No,
is the issue here?
Yeah, there are other cases. Let me try to remember. I think if so let me think. It's either the tag is not provided at all.
if the tag was not provided, the target role could match all tags.
I guess that is
So the
already taken care.
Yeah, so the current behavior when the tag isn't provided. I think that's the issue.
So if the tag is not provided, then it wouldn't match that, right? I mean, there is nothing to match. So
No, but oh, you're saying the mask is 0.
yeah,
But I think Z said he was going to open a new PR to polish up the wording, I think, is what he told me. Or he put
there's
in
one
the,
issue I can think of here, which I
Mhm.
don't know if it has ever come up. But one issue that I noticed in this behavior is that probably we are matching all tags in each rule. But I think we're supposed to match the rule should be a hit if even one tag is a hit. I don't know how that is achieved in the behavior model.
No, that is achieved. Probably I will also need to provide examples. That definitely works. I had the same question. We verified this works.
Okay, because it's a bitmap, so when we try to match the rule, we will try to match all the bits, right, with the mask.
Yeah, but the bitmap has a slightly different meaning. It's that we are setting the bits to which this IP belongs. Bits of meaning like bits of the corresponding tags. So we will set all of the tags that this IP prefix appears in.
Yes, so let's say the IP prefix appears in 2 tags, tag 1 and 2.
Yeah,
right?
so we will have two bits.
And the rule has, correct, and the rule has, say, tag 2 and 3.
Yeah, and the rule, no, the rule only has one tag. So the rule looks that the bit vector has only one bit to match on. You're matching only one bit in a rule.
Oh, so, okay.
Because it's not a list of tags,
you're saying
it's just
each
one
rule.
tag.
Oh, so each rule will have only one tag set?
Yeah, that's intended usage because tag is already a list of prefixes, right? So we are not combining then tags together. We only can express one tag, which is an alias for this list of prefs. So yeah, I think I need to provide all of the examples and show where it's working, how it's intended to work, because it's a little bit counterintuitive. It's a reverse.
I see. But if you're going to change the description to, it says list of source tag names, comma separated. In the, you see the source tag there.
Mm-hmm. But which table is that?
This is isn't this an ACL rule? What we're looking at? I'm sorry, I'm not able to see the full context.
Line 381.
ACL rule, right? Yeah, that's the ACL rule, right? Because there's a port and.
Can we go to the files changed and?
Yep.
Yeah, because one rule should only have one source tag, one destination tag.
So that's all the way from the GNMI, right? Because
Yeah.
this one, this is the -ACL rule table in the GNMI.
Yeah, but
that seems to say it's a list of tags.
Okay, guys, help me what to look for while we're talking. Just 381.
Yeah, the same comment, same line. Just need more context.
Okay.
You can look at the Sonic HLD.md.
Okay.
The left.
Yeah. That one.
Yeah. No. The diff. Open the diff.
Okay. And it was 318 was the line? Yeah.
Yeah, here, this one.
Oh, go ahead.
So here there is a source tag and a list of tag names for each rule.
Yeah, right. Okay, so we will probably need Prince to clarify that. That's not expected, at least from what I know.
Okay. And then I don't know whether to call him Pterosaur or Z, but he opened this PR to polish it. I'll put this in the chat window too. I can send these offline too.
In the files change, is the HLD there, Christina?
Looking here.
You can just see if it's changed. We can let it go.
Yeah, it's in Sonic HLD.
I see.
Yeah, this
I
is
think
just,
still same.
not
I think it's
provided.
just any. Yeah.
So what are you guys saying? Is this enough info?
No, this is the other case where if it's not provided, it just describes what happens if the tag is not provided.
Okay. Back to this one.
I think, yeah, Krishna, the contention is, I mean, this thing is, should it be a list of tags or is it just one tag?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think that if you can clarify it.
And so this is all I had on the agenda for today. Did you guys have anything? Sorry, I'm just looking while we're talking.
No, I'll have some things for the next meeting.
Oh, I forgot. I think Andy and Chris were collaborating on something in the past. How's that going?
The DPDK backend.
Yeah, the test. Yeah.
Yeah, I've got public filed GitHub issues on the open source P4C DPDK compiler with known issues trying to do that and have verbally talked with some Intel engineers working on that, or responsible for working on that. And it is still not highest on their priority list. And
Yeah, that's
don't know when.
okay. Great. I'll flesh out the notes later, so you guys will have to watch me do
I
it.
think in a previous week I sent a link to public GitHub issues. I can send those again if you want them in the notes for anybody tracking it. I can send it out if you want to know.
Well, there was this link about that. Well, that was just some sample code with the ifdev. No, okay. Yeah, if you want to, if you have it, that's great. If you don't, that's fine. Okay.
Sure.
And the engineers who work on this. Yep. Okay. I'll just copy this over. Great. And so, anything else for this week, guys? Anything you want to talk about? I think on the Dash community call, I mentioned the SmartNIC Summit is coming up. Didn't know if any of you are going to attend. I believe Gerald's coming down.
I will try to be there.
Okay.
Christina.
Okay.
Yeah,
Cool.
Reshma, I missed you at the P4 workshop.
Yes, those days are extremely busy, and yeah, I also didn't register on time.
Well, Hanif and I kept a lid on things.
Well, it's such short notice. I'm
And-
scrambling
and-
around trying to get a drop cloth for the table that says Microsoft. So, you know, it takes the branding team a while to make these things. So I'm just kind of doing that stuff in the back end. So but I'll be around if you guys want to talk about it, or you know, have lunch or a drink or something down there. I'm sure it'll be really busy. I think they have a lot of events. So
It goes on for 3 days, right? I don't remember 2 days or 3
it's the
days.
13th, 14th, and 15th.
Oh,
The
okay.
13th is a Tuesday. It's like a pre-conference workshop day, and I think that a couple of people actually submitted like their papers on Dash, and that I hadn't seen that before. They had submitted them to the sponsor, and then we could put together some workshops for the Tuesday, and then Wednesday is all the keynotes, and then Thursday, I can't remember what Thursday is. So anyway, yeah, that's all I had. So if there's not anything else, I can give time back. 7-second rule. Okay, guys, thanks for coming.
Thanks, Christina.
And I'll sync up.
Yeah,
Thanks, Christina.
Okay, and I'll remind about the issue that needs to be opened and everything. So have a good day.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.